Hi, kids. Today, we're going to learn all about wild animals. Wild animals are animals that live in nature and not with people. They live in places like forests, jungles, deserts, and oceans. Let's learn about some exciting wild animals. Lion. L-I-O-N. Lion. Elephant. E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T. Elephant. Tiger. T-I-G-E-R. Tiger. Giraffe. G-I-R-A-F-F-E. Giraffe. Bear. B-E-A-R. Bear. Zebra. Z-E-B-R-A. Zebra. Kangaroo. K-A-N-G-A-R-O-O. Kangaroo. Wolf. W-O-L-F. Wolf. Crocodile. C-R-O-C-O-D-I-L-E. Crocodile. Panda. P-A-N-D-A. Panda. Monkey. M-O-N-K-E-Y. Monkey. Fox. F-O-X. Fox. Rhinoceros. R-H-I-N-O-C-E-R-O-S. Rhinoceros. Cheetah. C-H-E-E-T-A-H. Cheetah. Eagle. E-A-G-L-E. Eagle. Wild animals are incredible creatures that help keep nature balanced. Some are fast, some are strong, and others are clever. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video, and don't forget to like, share, and leave a comment.